This Albott electric drain cleaner feels purpose-built for serious home and light commercial work, with a long 75-foot cable that reaches deep clogs most handheld tools cannot touch. The 3/8-inch steel core cable resists kinking and twisting as it works through 1 to 4-inch pipes, which gives a reassuring sense of control in tighter bends. A standout feature is the automatic feed, paired with a simple forward and reverse control and an air-powered foot switch, so you can advance or retract the cable smoothly while keeping both hands on the job. The included set of 9 interchangeable cutting heads lets you match the tool to everything from greasy kitchen lines to stubborn roots and heavy buildup in floor drains and toilets. Build quality is solid, with a semi-enclosed drum that lets you see the remaining cable, a coated steel frame that shrugs off rust, and a built-in ground fault safety device for extra electrical protection. Despite its heft, the integrated wheels, side casing, and handrail make it surprisingly manageable to roll around job sites and up or down stairs without straining your back.